Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app. Launch the app. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to read deleted messages on WhatsApp, you need to make sure that you have turned on the notification of WhatsApp. You can tap and hold the icon of the WhatsApp. Here you can see information icon, tap on it. Here at the top, you can see the notification section, tap on it. Allow the notification over here. You need to enable this. Only after that you can read deleted messages. Now for example, I'll send a message from another account to my account. As you can see, I've received the message, but I haven't opened the chat yet, so I haven't seen the message. But before that, the other account, if they delete the message, and I see this message has been already deleted, so how to read this? In order to do that, first of all, you need to go to your settings. So open settings from here. In the settings, here you can see notification option, tap on it. Once you're in notification page, here you can see advanced settings option, tap on it. In advanced settings, you'll find the option notification history. So select that option. The message has already been deleted, but you can still read it over here. Here you can see in the notification history that I received a message which was hi. So that's it. That's how you can read deleted messages on WhatsApp. But that, you just need to make sure that you turn on the notification of WhatsApp app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.